Welcome to Varahi Tech. This video is about flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical representation of a process or algorithm. It uses different shapes to represent various steps, decisions, and actions within a system. Flowcharts are widely used in software development, business processes, and various other fields to visually illustrate the flow of activities. Next, guidelines to draw a flowchart. Start or stop. Use an oval shape to represent the start and end points of the process. Next, process. Represent processing steps with rectangles. Then, decision. It uses diamonds for decision points. Then, input, output. Represent input-output operations with parallelograms. Then, arrows. Use arrows to show the direction of flow between steps. Next, symbols used in flowcharts. Oval symbol is used for start and end process. Then, rectangle for processing. Then, diamond for decision. Then, parallelogram for input-output operations. Then, circle for connections. Next, advantages of flowcharts. Visualization. It provides a visual representation of processes, making them easier to understand. Then, clarity. Clearly shows the sequence and logic of a process. Then, communication. Facilitates communications between different stakeholders. Analysis. Aids in analyzing and improving processes. Then, finally, documentation. Serves as documentation for complete procedures. Disadvantages of flowcharts. First, complexity. Can become complex for intricate processes. Then, size. Large processes may require extensive space, making the flowchart difficult to manage. Then, updates. Updating a flowchart can be time consuming. Then, ambiguity. Like any diagram, there is potential for ambiguity. This is the example flowchart for finding larger number. In this flowchart, the process begins with the oval shape. Then the parallelogram shape represents the input of two numbers A and B. Then the diamond shape checks if A is greater than B. Then the process, if true, the process rectangle assigns the value of A to the variable larger. If false, it assigns the value of B. Then the output. The result is outputted and the process ends. This flowchart visually demonstrates the logic of determining the larger number between A and B. It starts with the input, goes through a decision point, processes the data, and finally produces the output. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Varahi Tech. Thanks for watching this video.